Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it is a collaboration with King of Christmas. I will be showing you guys my Christmas tree for 2019.
Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.
Here, as you can see, it is where I'll be placing my Christmas tree. And of course, Athena and Leo had to be there to help me. It is super easy to put together. My husband did help me, just because it's easier since he was here. And I did get some gloves, a little manual. So we got the gloves. We didn't get a bag for the tree, so I'm gonna have to save the box and store it away. And I'm gonna be placing my tree back there. So this is how it looks like. And I believe it's 3 pieces. We'll put them together and show you how this looks. This is the first time that I ever have a fake tree, so I'm really excited to see how it looks like. I cannot wait to put it together, and I'll show you how this is going to look. Leo, are you ready to take it out?
Yeah.
You want to take it out, Cece?
Yeah.
After my husband installed the tree together, I did have to fluff it out. That took a while, I'm not gonna lie. It took me a couple hours, but you have to do that part. You cannot skip it, or else the tree will look very empty and not that pretty, as you can see. So now I'm gonna move my tree back there, and I have to say it's pretty full. It's bigger than I expected, and it looks tall. Here I took a little break, had a little snack, because this baby bump is making me super duper hungry. That was delicious, by the way. Thank you so much to King of Christmas for partnering up with me for this video. If you guys are interested on the tree that I showed you guys, be sure to check out the description box. They were so kind enough to give me a 10% off. All you have to do is click the link below, and at checkout use code Leslie Joanna _. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Almost forgot to mention, I will be having a Christmas haul and also a Decorate With Me video coming soon.